success is something that should lead to happiness. So I think if you're doing something, even though if you're successful at it, but you're not happy, I don't think that's really success then.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum Salam and welcome to Amreli Steels.
Thank you so much. कैसे हैं आप, Mr. Shoaib?
Alhamdulillah, so far so good.
Tell us a little about yourself.
So basically I'm a marketer by profession and I work here at Amreli Steels as Deputy Manager Brands.
When did you join Amreli Steels?
It's been almost 2 years and next month I'll be celebrating my second work anniversary with Amreli Steels.
Amazing. How has your experience been so far?
So far it's been amazing experience when it comes to learning, when it comes to enjoyment. So I'm very glad working here at Amreli Steels.
How do you start your day here?
So it depends, but usually with mingling with team. So come along with me. So usually mingling with my team and sometimes also having a cup of coffee as well.
Share a tip to handle an angry boss.
I would say this is just like swimming because if you don't throw yourself into the water, you will never learn it. So there is no single tip to handle tough boss.
Okay, great. What do you think about Amreli's latest campaign? What is the concept behind it?
So the concept was very simple. We were given a very clear brief that we have to come up with a home run campaign, something solid, and indeed we came up with one thing. So I will take you to my boss, Mr. Mohsin Ali Sadiq, who is Senior Manager Marketing. So he will tell you more in detail about the campaign.
Wonderful, thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum Salam.
कैसे हैं आप?
Alhamdulillah, I'm very well. How are you?
I'm good too, Alhamdulillah. Mr. Mohsin, please tell us about your latest campaign and the concept behind it.
Well, the big idea of our most recent communication is As Solid As You. It celebrates the strength of character that is needed to stand up for what is right. Amreli Steels as a brand is perhaps the only brand in the market that complies to international standards of rebar 100%, be it in terms of product specification, be it chemical composition, product marking, identification, rip pattern. In that sense, we are probably the only right brand in the market and the standard bearer of steel rebars in Pakistani industry.
That is amazing. If you were to describe the logo and color of Amreli Steel to someone who can see, how would you describe it?
Well, our brand color is yellow. The reason for using yellow is because it's a commonly used color in construction because it has a very high wavelength and it's visible from a distance. And our logo is quite literally a summit of steel, which represents the highest standard of steel manufacturing possible.
That is amazing. How do you handle negative criticism on a campaign?
Well, we always try to assess all criticism objectively. If there is any genuine lessons to be learned, we try not to repeat our mistakes. Like the lessons that we learned in our previous two campaigns, those lessons informed and shaped our current campaign. But more often than not, many times the criticism is unfounded. So it's very, very important to separate fact from fiction.
I heard your CEO is pretty cool. Would you like to tell us about him?
Well, he always has a smile on his face and he's an amazing cook. Let's go meet him.
Wonderful.
This is Hadi Akbar Ali, our Chief Operating Officer.
Hi Mr. Hadi, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. Okay, so tell us, how do you start your day and what do you do on a typical day?
Well, most of my days are generally planned pretty well. I usually have meetings first thing in the morning with the various verticals that I'm looking at. We're working a lot on Zoom these days just to follow SOPs and to avoid and to ensure social distancing. And so after my morning meetings, I'll usually take a little bit of a break, catch up on my emails, and then the rest of the day is usually open to whoever needs my help.
Great. What do you do when you want to give your COO self a break?
Well, generally at work, there's very little break. I usually have quick lunches. I'm usually on the go. Like I said earlier, my days are planned out back to back. But yeah, the weekends are a break for me. So on the weekends, I'm often at the beach or I'm exercising. I play a lot of sports, watch movies.
How challenging is the role of a COO?
I think if you like challenges and I think if you like problem solving, then the COO role is great. I think as you're managing many different functions, you have to troubleshoot many different areas as well. And life is always really interesting because there's always something new challenges to take head on and solve. And if you like working with people, it's a great role because you're working with so many different departments, so many different people internally, inside the company and outside.
The masses loved your last campaign. It was brilliant. What made you go for an ad like this considering it is a steel company?
So I think communication is really important, and so we have to talk to our customers, and we need to go on mass mediums such as TV and create communications where we can reach our customers. So that's what we've done, and when you talk to your customers, if you're talking to anybody, you want to be interesting, and you want to talk in the language that people understand, and at the same time you want to put your view across. So that's kind of what we've tried to do in our latest communication.
Amid the COVID-19 outbreak, how deeply has the economic situation of the country impacted your business?
COVID unfortunately has impacted the global economy, and it hasn't left Pakistan untouched because a lot of businesses were under a strict lockdown and we were closed for a couple months. That did affect our cash flows, it affected our business, it affected every aspect of our company, and it was really tough, but we focused on our cash flow operations. We focused on making sure that we could manage all our liabilities in the time that we were closed, and gratefully we were in the position where we didn't have to let go of a single person during the pandemic, and we're very proud and grateful that we were able to keep our entire team intact.
That's amazing. What are some hidden fun facts people don't know about Amreli Steel?
Well, people always ask where did you get the name Amreli from? And Amreli is actually is a small town in India where the founder of our company was born. And after partition, they migrated to Pakistan, and they brought the name of Amreli with them.
Is Amreli Steel's manufacturing sustainable?
We're one of the largest recyclers in Pakistan. We recycle about 300 million kilos of metal every year. The water that we use in our manufacturing process is 100% recycled. We have water complexes that not only treat but cool and refine the water so we can recycle it. And our latest project is actually going paperless, and we hope in the next couple of years Amreli will be a completely paperless company.
How do you measure success?
Success is something that should lead to happiness. So I think if you're doing something, even though if you're successful at it but you're not happy, I don't think that's really success then. So it's very intertwined with happiness.
How can one tell if you're having a bad day?
I'm probably not going to be very interested in what you're saying, and I'm probably going to be a little bit distracted. I think those are the signs that I'm not myself.
What sets your work environment apart from the rest?
At Amreli Steels, I think we're very people first, and I think we're very invested in each other's futures, in each other's success. No matter at which department or at which level of the company you're at, we always put our people first, and we always want to ensure that everybody is able to achieve their goals, their ambitions, and their dreams.
What is the one thing you're most proud of regarding the company?
I'm proud to be surrounded by amazing people. I think at Amreli I'm surrounded by people who are really smart, who are really motivated, and who are really passionate about what our company is doing in Pakistan. And I'm really proud that we are able to attract the kind of talent and the kind of people who make working at Amreli Steels so fulfilling.
Thank you, Mr. Hadi. It was great meeting you.
Thank you so much.